Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at the Edifier D32 tabletop wireless speaker, a premium wireless audio system that combines elegant retro-inspired design with modern wireless connectivity, high-res audio support, and impressive sound performance. If you're searching for a stylish speaker that delivers both looks and audio quality, stay tuned. The first thing you'll notice about the Edifier D32 is its beautiful tabletop design. The brown finish gives it a sophisticated and timeless appearance that fits naturally into living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and entertainment spaces. Unlike many modern speakers that focus solely on functionality, the D32 balances aesthetics and performance exceptionally well. Moving on to sound quality, the D32 features a 2.1 acoustic architecture paired with 60 watts RMS output. This setup is designed to provide a rich listening experience with clear vocals, detailed mids, crisp highs, and satisfying bass response. Whether you're listening to jazz, classical music, podcasts, pop, rock, or movie soundtracks, the speaker aims to reproduce audio with impressive clarity and balance. A major highlight is its high-res audio support. The speaker is compatible with advanced audio codecs including LDAC and ALAC, allowing listeners to enjoy higher quality wireless audio compared to standard Bluetooth streaming. For users who value sound fidelity, this feature helps preserve more detail from compatible audio sources. Wireless connectivity is powered by Bluetooth 5.3, offering stable connections, low latency, and efficient power management. Pairing smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other devices is quick and straightforward, making everyday listening convenient. Apple users will appreciate built-in AirPlay 2 support, enabling seamless streaming directly from iPhones, iPads, and Macs. This integration makes the D32 particularly attractive for users invested in the Apple ecosystem. The Edifier companion app adds additional control options. Users can adjust settings, manage playback functions, and personalize aspects of the listening experience directly from their mobile device. This provides greater flexibility compared to traditional speaker controls. For wired connections, the D32 includes both USB-C and auxiliary inputs. These options allow compatibility with computers, audio players, gaming systems, and various external devices. Having multiple connection methods ensures versatility for different listening setups. Battery life is another strength. With up to 11 hours of playback on a single charge, the speaker can provide extended listening sessions throughout the day without constantly needing to be plugged in. This makes it convenient for moving between rooms or using in locations where power outlets may not be readily available. Overall, the Edifier D32 tabletop wireless speaker delivers a compelling combination of premium design, high-res audio support, versatile connectivity, strong sound performance, and modern smart features. For music lovers seeking a stylish all-in-one speaker that doesn't compromise on audio quality, the D32 deserves serious consideration. If you'd like to learn more or pick one up for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gadgetverse reviews.